So what I have here is a Harry Potter rug I ordered for my wife for Christmas, and the problem with it is they delivered it in a plastic bag and not a cardboard box. So when I ripped into it with the utility knife trying to open it up, thinking it was something else, I ended up cutting into this rug. And so I'm trying to find where the cut is right here. As you can see, right across here is where I slit it open with the utility knife, and it went all the way into the back here on the back end of this rug. As you can see right through here. So I'm going to attempt to repair this, and I'm going to put some fabric tape across the back here, and then I'm going to take fabric glue and I'm going to apply that to the front of this rug right here. It's got a like a foam type insert in the middle of it, and then there's fabric on the outside here with a backing on it. So that's the project for today, is repairing this rip through here. So the two products that I'll be using is Fabric Fusion. I've never used this stuff before. It comes from Elena's company, and so they're both made for fabric material. I got them from a fabric shop that sells fabrics here in town. So that's what I'll be using. Apparently I got another slight cut in there that I did not see, so I'll have to get a little more tape on there. This stuff feels pretty sticky, so I think it's kind of safe to say it's like a one-time deal. Better hope that you're not planning to take it back up again. And this will provide a backing. Instead of just gluing it, we're going to get both sides taken care of this cut to try and make it as strong as we can. That's about all you can do once you've cut into it. So this fabric tape and also glue made for fabrics that I have put on here, the packaging says it is machine washable, and after a certain time you can handle it, and all the things you normally do with a rug. So I have not tested that part of it, but time will tell. I don't anticipate having to wash this rug very much, but when that time comes, maybe I'll update this video and let you know. But it does say that you can handle it soon after the glue dries, and immediately handle it after applying the tape, as the tape doesn't take any time to dry if you only use the tape. But of course I use both for this job. We'll try the glue here. it won't ever look pretty, but main thing is to keep it from ripping any further than it already is. That's the main goal, is to keep it from spreading any further. And so that's what you can do with a rug. It's basically the equivalent of a rug you'd have in the bathroom, the way it's put together. And so it's kind of very fragile that way, just like a rug in your bathroom would be.